Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman and welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. And this week we have some very special guest hosts. Take it away.
Thanks, Mayor. I'm here with our Parks Manager, Mike Reisner. He's going to talk to us about a lot of the wonderful improvements we're making here at the Bicentennial Park Playground, including some artificial turf. But Mike, talk about what all's going on and timeline, etc.
As you can see, we've had the concrete lucky enough to get it poured before the bad weather. So hopefully when they come back at the end of the month, that we'll come in and we can work around with our cones, barricades, caution tape, and our staff to keep the playground open. At a certain point, when they get to the edge, we may close it down for a short time, but that'll only affect the playground, not the park itself. So, and throughout the rest of the park, we're adding shade structure. We put a seating wall, some planter beds, a few other things. Will be a drastic change, I think, come spring.
So Mike, why have we decided to go ahead and switch over from natural grass to artificial turf?
The playground is heavily used, and with the foot traffic, we try to maintain it's a muddy pit down here, so this is, I think, a win-win for everybody.
Well, Mike, that's great. I appreciate you letting everyone know what's going on. I know you guys are going to take great care of everyone's safety, and we look forward to getting this thing up and running. So that's it for this week's Minute with the Mayor. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.